Greetings to you and welcome to MiniTool Tutorials. I hope you are doing well. In today's special tutorial, I will actually be showing you, how to edit a PDF document, right? How to organize the pages of a PDF document, for instance, change the orientation of some pages or all the pages of your PDF document. How do you actually, split or merge, different PDF documents? How do you split PDF document into separate pages or into even or odd pages or into X number of pages. All right. How do you even extract pages of or some pages of a PDF document? All right. And transform these pages into a single PDF, for instance. All right. Or better still, and more especially, how do you actually digitally sign a PDF document? All these are possible thanks to what? A free PDF editing software called MiniTool PDF Editor. And without much ado, I'm going to head on to the computer and just show you how you can actually download this free software. All right. And by the way, today's special tutorial is actually sponsored by MiniTool. All right. So right here is the download page for, this software. If you would like to download, the MiniTool PDF editor, all you have to do is to simply go to what? pdf.minitool.com, and it'll bring you to this page. You could also just Google MiniTool PDF editor, and I'm sure you'll land on this page. All right. Now, once you land on this page, it's very simple. You simply hit on what? Free download. Okay. I would also put a link in the description box in case you are finding it hard to find yourself on this page. All right. So just click and download it. So you click on free download, and after downloading, you simply locate the the setup within your downloads folder or wherever it is, and then you double click on it. All right. And then click on yes. Oh, I already have it installed, so I don't want to install it again. All right. But it's just as simple as that. you know let's come back to the home page. And I just would like to let you understand that when you download it for free, maybe after you use it for some time, MiniTool might simply remind you to upgrade, so that you can continue to enjoy the pro version of the software, right? So that is just up to you. And I strongly really recommend that you do that, if ever you are asked to upgrade this. I mean, uh, the software, because it's really worth it, all right? Because this goes for, let's say, $19 per month. But if I were you, I would just pick the ultimate plan, which is like $99, and you have the software lifetime. This is the perpetual license, all right? Or you could also subscribe monthly, in which case you'll be paying, but for 1 year, right? In which case you'll be paying $5.75 every month for a period of what, 1 year, and in which case you have the advantage of using it on two devices. But don't be scared. Go ahead and download the software. It is totally free, and you can use it to do whatever that you want to do. If you also enjoy, this amazing software as I have enjoyed it, all right, it actually has a very awesome interface. I like the fact that the interface is green, and also all the widgets are simply well placed and organized. So unlike other PDF editing softwares that you have to struggle, you don't know where to click. For this one, you have all the options available, right? All the widgets right in front of you. And it's very, very simple to use, and For those of you who are old subscribers, you might have watched me making tutorials on how to use Adobe Acrobat to do A, B, C, or D. I can guarantee you that all that I've said so far on my channel, this software can do all of that, all these functionalities and even more. All right. You can scan your PDF and OCR it in order to edit it in case the PDF is in the form of an image or something. You can, convert your PDF into Word, PowerPoint, Excel, whatever that you want. You can actually start a fresh or a blank template, and actually write using the PDF element to actually write um, a document of your own, just like typing in Microsoft Word, after which you save it as PDF. There are different things that you can do with this software. And to me, it's just, you can actually, one key thing that I really find fascinating and interesting about this software is the fact that it can actually, let's say, read, okay, for you. And at the same time, you can actually translate, right? You can actually translate some text or whatever with this software. It's totally amazing, and it's totally free for the start. And I would recommend you even buy, the pro version with the perpetual license. So for this tutorial, we'll actually be, um, we'll be using what do you call it? Some PDFs that I've already downloaded. Right, they are right here, and I'll just right click on any of them and open it with what do you call it? MiniTool PDF Editor. So right here on the desktop, we already have MiniTool PDF Editor right here. Before I edit any PDF, let's just open it so that you see how it looks like. So this is how it is. I've already worked with it, on different PDF files, as you can see. So when you open it, automatically it brings you to the home page, the start page if you want. And you could actually use the PDF element as I was telling you by simply clicking on what create. And by the way, when you open it, they'll ask you, do you want to use this software as your default PDF viewer? If yes, you click OK. If no, you cancel. For me, I will say OK. And I confirm. All right. And like I was saying, you can click on, just create. And then you can either import an image, import from even scan or whatever, import another file, or you can just click on blank, then it will create what, an A4 sheet for you. So you click on confirm or whatever. You could change the dimensions of your sheet. If you don't want A4, then you just simply start what, typing. So whatever that you type, so for instance, I can say thank you MiniTool, thank you MiniTool. Okay, you could type whatever that you want. You could just like, I mean, the beauty of this thing is that, see that the interface is very clean, and you can type as if you are writing in a Word document, and you can actually save this. All right. So to save this, simply click on this drop down menu, click on Save As, all right, and you can put it wherever you want to put it. Okay, just save it as a PDF file, and after which, if you would like to maybe convert it to something else, you could do that. So I've just done that, you know, and right now, if I can even close this, right, close all tabs, and then if I should come to what do you call it, my where I saved it, I have the file here, okay, and you can see how nice it is. My PDF file, I can edit it to, I can even convert it back to Word or anything. So this is how amazing this software is. But that was just by the way. Now let's really do the editing that I promised you. How do we edit a PDF file with the MiniTool PDF editor? All right, it's very simple. just right click on the file that you want to edit, click on open it with what? MiniTool PDF Editor. All right. Now, when it opens this way, down here, you can actually, you know, uh, change the view of your document. All right. So you can zoom here, all right, to whatever size that you want. You can also zoom using the zoom this thing here. You can even customize and then enter whatever zoom that you want. For instance, I can say zoom to 100%. Let's keep it 100. I could put anything, right? And it'll do that. And what else did I want to show you? Or would I like to show you? You can change the view here. So if I want it to be opened, let's say this way, I could do it that way. If I want it this way, if I want it that way, or just the traditional way. So it's just awesome. And you see that all the features are just at your disposal. Even at the home tab, you already have all that you need,